Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to convert Tether USDT to Bitcoin in Coinbase. So without further ado, let's start. First is to log in to your Coinbase account and then go to Assets. Now just scroll down to your assets and there you'll see Tether USDT. Just click on that. And then it will direct you to USDT dashboard. You can see right here, buy, sell, and convert. Just tap on convert. And then change this option from Tether to Bitcoin. Next, enter the amount. Now tap on preview conversion and then tap on order preview. After that, tap on Convert Now. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.